Ang dream cos duo ko ay Lelouch and C2.
Dream cosplay duo ko sana si Invincible para may mabubugbog ako.
Ano ba? Si Shinobu po. Si Shinobu Kocho.
Si Erza and Jalal from Fairy Tail.
My cause name is Renado, and about your interview, Sir Vel, is my dream cosplayer. I'm new in a cosplay community. Like, this is my third time, and nothing comes in my mind na as of now na fair. Pero like, sino bang ano ngayon? Like, hits na duo.